Hi everybody, it's Miss Kerri and I have my little friend Brynn here. Can you say hi?
Hi.
We're going to show you really quick how we do the half up, half down curled for your dance. A few things that you're going to want to have. You're going to want a spray bottle. You're going to want some gel. You're also going to want some hairspray. Make sure you have their hair accessory ready. Quick trick, if you put a little tiny slit in the back, you can put a bobby pin halfway in, and then once it's in their hair, you can slide it down into their hair, and we will show you that. Also, make sure they have not a t-shirt on, because this is very difficult once their hair and makeup is done. You can use a tank top, you can use a button-down shirt, just a couple tricks that we've learned over the years. Also, make sure you have a comb, and a brush. And these bristle brushes work really good to get all those tiny little wispies all the way back. So I'm going to quickly show you how we spray the hair down. Also, another trick of the trade, if you let your child watch your phone or tablet sitting on the counter while you're doing it, it usually keeps them occupied. So that way they're not asking, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Is it chilly? Yeah. Make sure that you really wet their hair before you put the gel in, and that will help make sure all of the wispies stay back. We want no bangs. We're gonna stick some gel in her hair. Let me take my rings off. Gel is really important to make sure that the hair stays in nice and slick. Make sure you get all those little baby wispies. I know the little kids have a lot of them. And at this point, you want to either use your comb or your bristle brush, and you pull half the hair up. Good, can you sit up nice and tall for me? Thank you. If you only put a little in the ponytail and you leave a lot down, it makes their curls look so much fuller. So you just really want to get what you can in. And then I use my bristle brush to really pull back all those little wispies. Like I said, when it's wet, it makes it much easier to work with and keep it all back. We like to use these clear elastics because most little kids have a small amount of hair and they hold really well and you can't see them.
I can.
You can't see it?
I can.
Oh, you can? Good, and then we just flatten it all out. And I'm going to give that a quick spray. Cover your face, Brynny. Perfect. So then what you want to do is we're going to section off her hair to start with the curls. So I'm going to do the bottom first. So I'm going to take half of it up. Can you turn your head to the window so they can see? And we're going to start curling just the bottom. So I'm going to just clip this up. And turn your head. I'm going to give it a quick spray. And I always curl away from the face. So we're just using a little curling iron. And we're curling it all down. I'm going to try to do this really quick for you. It does take a little bit of time to get all those curls, but if you do small sections is the best. and it will hold the curls the longest.
My ball.
Oh, that's okay, I'll get it. Thank you. Brynn, are you excited for the recital? Yeah? What's your favorite part of the recital?
Dancing.
Dancing? Oh.
Yeah, and I was so happy that I got a medal.
Oh, your medal? Yeah, you were super excited about your medal, huh? It was so pretty. So after you do your first set, you want to give it a good spray. Don't pull them out or anything. Just let that spray dry. And then I take another section. Give that a spray before you curl it. What dance are you doing this year? Do you remember?
Yeah, animals crackers.
Animal crackers? And is it jazz or ballet or?
No, it's tap dance.
Oh, it's tap dance. Okay.
He doesn't know what my song is sometimes.
Yeah, who's your teacher? Do you remember?
Miss Kristen.
Miss Kristen.
Sometimes she doesn't know what my teacher is.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes she doesn't know my dance or my song.
Nope, I don't, huh? Because I'm not your teacher this year.
You did ballet to teach me.
Yeah, I did teach you ballet, yep.
Yeah, once in a while. When will I do ballet again?
Oh, we can do it next year if you'd like.
Yeah, but I don't know. Because I think I'm still doing tap dance. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, you're still doing tap dance this year? Yeah.
Still doing tap dance.
Yep, you are. You're doing a good job holding for me. I think she's more excited about the makeup, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like to put makeup on? Yeah.
That's my favorite thing to do.
I know it is. What are you watching on there?
Is this Cocomelon?
Cocomelon?
She doesn't really know what I'm watching sometimes. But I know because I'm a kid and I know everything.
Oh, you know everything? Oh, how did I forget that?
But she doesn't know everything sometimes. I don't know.
Sometimes. All right, so that section is done. Give that a quick spray again. And we're going to turn your head for a minute, Brynn, to the side so they can see a little bit. Can you turn way around? Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. So here's the start of the curls. Okay, we're going to keep going with a few more sections. We're almost done with these curlies. This is just the ponytail part. We'll do that last. Give that a quick spray. this piece in here.
She really knows what she's doing.
Because Kristen knows better than Mommy though, huh? Because she's a hairdresser.
Yeah.
Does Miss Kristen cut your hair?
Yes.
Only Miss Kristen, right?
Long time ago.
Yeah.
But this time I'm gonna cut my hair too.
Only Miss Kristen cuts it though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This time Miss Kristen's gonna cut my hair and Katie's. Exciting!
So exciting.
We're still gonna do makeup because that's like because there needs to be makeup.
Yes, we have to have makeup on the stage, huh?
Uh-huh. And when you do show and tells, we need to do makeup also.
Oh, when we do the show and tell, that's what we're doing now, huh?
Yeah. So we really need to get a sign of the hot stuff. Ow, ow,
Oh,
hot.
sorry.
It's hot, Mom.
I'm sorry. I was looking up at you.
And we really need to get a sign of that stuff. Of hot stuff.
Oh yeah, so that was what not to do, right? Don't burn your child. Sometimes it happens.
Yeah, sometimes it happens when she did this burns me and Kitty sometimes, but
I try not to.
yeah, she tries not to.
It happens to all of us.
Yep. It always gets signs of like a hot stuff a little bit.
Yeah, hot stuff a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we try not to. Sometimes.
Yeah. But we do need a little bit spray a bottle of water in it, and have plants, we need to spray water in it too.
Oh, our plants, yeah, we do spray our plants with that, huh?
Yeah. And still.
Okay, we spray that section. Then we just do the last section is the ponytail.
Yes, we really need. Are you really wash your tablet? You can do makeup too.
Yeah, you can, huh?
Yeah, and we watch your tablet. That's okay. And you do show and house too, and you put makeup on.
Yeah, it sure is.
It's hair too.
It's easy with the hair, huh? That you
Yeah.
can watch your tablet.
If there's hair like here or in my face, I'll just pop it away to my ears.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. That's
Well,
smart.
I'm always smart.
Oh, yes, I know.
And sometimes she's gets, sometimes I'm smart. And Kitty's smart.
Yes, you're both very smart.
Or you want to do something else, that's okay. Press something else on your tablet.
Oh, yeah.
Because it'll probably be a little bit. And when we go on the stage, we'll have a lot of makeup on.
We will have a lot of makeup on, yeah.
This time, we're just going to have some little eyeshadow on. And some other eyeshadow on.
Yeah.
And some powder.
Okay.
Then cheek powders. This the cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Then you do this.
Yeah.
Everything. Then you do lips.
Oh, that's your favorite, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What color lips? Do you remember?
Yes.
What color do we wear?
Red.
Red. That's right.
So we need to just get a little more darker red
Okay.
so we can
So you can see it from the stage.
yeah. And
You can see your beautiful smile, huh?
yeah, or you get some stuff to your face, that's okay. Just pull it away.
Now let's do a reminder. Remember to take our earrings out because we can't wear earrings. And remember to take our underpants off underneath our tights, huh?
Mom, don't
know.
say underpants.
I'm sorry, but we're not supposed to wear our underpants with our tights.
Well, yeah. And are you watching something funny like a song? I'm watching something funny like I'm a funny gummy bear.
You're a funny gummy bear?
Yeah, but not me. It's just on my tablet.
Oh, yes. You like that song, huh?
Yes, because it's so funny. And are you have it?
Okay, we're
Press
almost
it 'cause
done.
it's funny.
Press it because it's funny. We're almost done with these.
Yeah, and get 2 brushes so you can brush this side and this side. Then all of the hair for this, and then this.
We don't want to brush our curls though, right? No, we don't brush those out.
Because that's part of our hair.
That's right. I'm just gonna leave it just how it is.
Yep. That's how it is.
Just how it is.
And don't get. Ever you want to do it just kind of how it was?
Yeah?
You can do it how we do it.
Okay.
Because it's good.
Last piece. So the trick is do small pieces and then the curls will stay better.
Then let's do makeup after hair.
Yes, we will do the makeup after the hair.
Yeah, then put your bow on and your dress on. Don't get.
Yeah, we're gonna put our bow on. We're gonna show them how we put our bow in. Okay. So then you want to spray that really, really good all down so the curls stay.
But you need to close your eyes or you do like a black stuff.
Yep, so then our bow goes right above the ponytail. The ponytail. Then what you can do is you can take those bobby pins that you put in halfway and you slide it into their hair. It just secures it a little bit longer. A little bit more, not longer, a little bit more. So that way and then there you go. Can we turn around and show them? Here's all our beautiful curls.
Yes, after curls you need to make.
Yes. All right, thanks for watching us and hopefully you have as much fun as we did. Say bye.
Bye.